area of a parallelogram? Is that how you say it? Parallelogram with Biff. Hey, Miss Lucy, I came across this shape yesterday, and it's a parallelogram apparently. And I thought, well, I can do this because I see triangles and I see rectangles. So I thought, hey, if I use the area of a composite on it, I should be able to find the area. And I just wanted to know, is that correct? Or is there a faster way? All right, Beth, why don't you give it a try and see what you can do? Okay, so my first step was to break it into a rectangle and a triangle. So I have one triangle, the second one's a rectangle, and then the third shape will be the other triangle. So the area of the first triangle is a base of 2 and a height of 3. And that's 6 divided by 2. That's 3. The rectangle will be 2 units and 3 units. That's 6 units. And there's not a triangle, so I don't need to divide by 2. And then the area of triangle number 2 is 2 units times 3, which is a height. And that's 6 divided by 2, and that's 3. So altogether, it's 3 plus 3 plus 6. It's 12 units. Oh, very good, Bev. You did find the area of that parallelogram. But did you notice something at all, Bev, in your work? What's that? Well, take a look at this. Bev, did you notice that if you were to take the triangle number 2, this third piece, and kind of slide it over and fit it right underneath, what kind of shape would you actually have now? Oh, it kind of looks like, well, if we continue this side down, just fill it out, it looks like a rectangle. Yeah, and what are the dimensions of that rectangle? It's a 4 by 3, so the area would be 4 times 3. It would be 12 units squared. Oh. So, Biff, are you starting to think what I'm thinking? That the area of a parallelogram is just the area of a rectangle, because the parallelogram is just a rectangle that's kind of tilted. So, Biff, anytime you see a parallelogram, that means that the opposite sides are congruent and that you have 2 pairs of parallel lines. That all you really need to know is the base and the height, or length and width, because this one in red is the exact same rectangle as this one. All it is that it's kind of tilted off to the side. The amount of space will always be the same. Okay, so the area of this one, I just need to calculate the length and width, or base and height kind of thing. Yes, you do. So in essence, this one, let's take a look. We have a base of 2, and if we count the height of this, we will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 times 7, we will have an area of 14 units squared. I get it now, Miss Lucy. So area of a parallelogram is just length times width, or base times height. It's the same as a rectangle. You got it, Biff. I'll see you around.